Dear Diary, today I bought some more broken stuff off eBay. If only there was a way to record this information electronically.
Ah yes, the answer to all teenage girls' problems. An electronic diary, made by Tiger Electronics. I think this is also available in pink, which is a shame because I would have liked that, but purple is okay. And look at that! How awesome does that look? So the problem with this is that it doesn't power on, apparently. But again, it's an eBay item, so who knows? Why am I ringing? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah? I'm okay, but I'm not interested. Don't you just hate spam calls? Right, well, let's test it. Let's pop some batteries in. 2 AAAs. It also looks like it takes CR2032. Nice. Let's have a look in here as well. Oh, it's got one in. We better test that because I'm guessing it's been in there for 16 years. Voltage. Yeah, I'd say that was pretty dead. Yeet. I hope that's not why this isn't powering on. In fact, I haven't tested it yet. I should have tested it. Anyway, let's put this in. Idiot. And pray that it doesn't turn on. Alright, here goes. There's the on button. Well, it ain't coming on. I mean, it might be a display issue, but I would have thought it would make some kind of a noise. It's not. It's not doing anything. So, it has no power. Let's open it up. Looks like there's only 4 screws. Oh, there's a reset button there. I'm going to press that reset button. Oh, if it's that, won't we all be very upset? No, it's not that. Right, let's open it up. And just while I'm opening this up, I now have another top tier Holy Hand Grenade patron, which is awesome. So I'd like to thank Tidder, Taylor Helton, and Ellis Garbett. And everyone else who supports me on Patreon. There's like a bit at the side there. I don't know if that's for like an expansion slot or something. I don't know. Aha! Where did that come from? Ah, that's the bit on that side there. Oh, so that it's meant to be like a door. But that was obviously... that had been pushed in, hadn't it? Right. Now we're going to have some ribbon cables in here. Oh, no. And they... yeah, they're soldered in and glued in. This is not going to be easy to work on, I don't think. Let's see if I can take this little board out and then I might have better access. There we go. That's better. A little switch there. What's that for? Oh, hang on. It's going to be something to do with this. So when something's inserted, that's going to push that up, I guess. I wonder if that was jamming that. Whether it thought something was in. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try it now. Right, no. So, yeah, let's try it with that lifted up. Maybe it doesn't need something in to work. Yeah, it's obviously some kind of expansion slot, isn't it? But does it need something to be in there for it to work? That's the question, because I don't have that. Whatever that is. You'd think that would be like a something additional, wouldn't you? Right, let's start poking around the place with my beeping device. See if we can work anything out. Oh, wait a sec. So we're only getting 367 microvolts there. So from the negative side of the battery, it's 3 volts when you directly on the battery, but what's that, 0.5 volts on the wire? Please don't tell me it's that. Is it corroded? It doesn't look it. Let's clean it up. Right, okay, well let's try that now. If that works now, that's probably the easiest fix I've ever done. Apart from the foot spar, which didn't need fixing at all. I think that just goes to prove how wasteful we are, because how long did that take me? 10 seconds? No, well, taking it apart, a couple of minutes, and it's now working. That would have gone in the bin. I mean, sure, there isn't much demand for a Tiger Electronics Dear Diary in 2021. Or is there? Let's see what this bad boy can do. Let's put it back together and have a play around with it. I can see some cool looking functions on it. Right, so there we go, it's all back together. I managed to get the flap in, which is nice. And if we open it up, these are the functions that it's got. So it's got a calendar, phone, file, birthday, calculator, wardrobe planner, spell checker. It's got loads of different things on it. It's really cool. It's a clock, it's an alarm. It does take cartridges, because there's a cartridge function there. I'm not sure what they do. Secret password. Ooh. But I think the most interesting thing is the music maker, obviously. So we're going to Music Maker. You've got some tunes to choose from. Some tremendous ones. There you go. Look at that. Charleston. Unfortunately, I can't work out how to stop them once it's started. There we go. But you can also create your own. So you've got Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. There's no other Do, but I don't know. It's pretty cool. I could do something with that. Yo, VIP, let's kick it.
Ice, baby. Ice, baby.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ice is back with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flowing like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop, yo? I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chomp like a candle. Dance from rush to speaker that booms. I'm killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly when I play a dope melody. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit the bullseye, the kid don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out my hook while my DJ revolves it.
Yo, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.